How do you change theme in Kdenlive? Let's talk about that. How to change a theme in Kdenlive. Let's go up to edit, go in settings. Color theme. There's different ones and there's different styles. There's default, which is a white theme. On my personal opinion, the default theme should be black. There's breeze, which is another form of the white theme. There's breeze dark, which I think I had before. I like the dark theme, and I use the dark theme in most of my all of my software that I use, if it has it. High contrast dark. Seems alright. Personally, I like the breeze dark theme better. Yeah, personally, I like the breeze dark theme. That's a personal preference. Breeze light. It's an alright theme, but versus breeze. I don't like the brown right there. Personally, I don't like the brown, but that's your personal preference. That's not mine. Anyway, let's go back to one of my favorite theme, breeze dark. Anyway, that's how you change the themes in Kdenlive or Kdenlive. Anyway, see ya.